Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a project filter and a theme to your video on the iMovie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the plus icon and click on movie, which is the first option. Then select a video and tap on create movie down below. After that, tap on this button down below in the right side corner of the screen. The first section is project filter. So if you slide to the right side of the screen, you can choose from a bunch of filters, and you can also select a theme such as modern, bright, playful, neon, travel, simple and news. So tap on the relevant one and click on the done button. So here you are going to see that it has been applied to your video. So tap on the done button in the upper left corner of the screen to save your video. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.